welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I am so happy that you're here for today's video. So today we're going to be taking a little shopping adventure over to Ikea, and if you don't have a local Ikea, I sympathize with you. We did not have one until we moved here in Charlotte, and now it's basically in our backyard. It's like 10 minutes away. It's terribly dangerous because there's so much goodness there. So I thought it would be fun to kind of just walk through the aisles of the Ikea marketplace, share some of the staple pieces that we have in our home, and then also some pieces that I ended up purchasing while I was there on this day. So I'm going to share my haul with you guys and just chat a little bit about the pieces that I look for when I'm at Ikea, and also share some of the displays that they have out. It's always fun to see how they style their pieces, and it just gives some great styling and decorating inspiration. So before we get started today, I have to share something that I am just so excited about that has been a total game changer for me, and that is Cook Unity. So we're gonna grab a quick bite to eat before I head out the door, and I'm gonna share that with all of you.
Cook Unity is the first chef-to-consumer platform delivering freshly prepared, pre-selected meals right to your door weekly. Cook Unity connects a diverse group of talented chefs that cook delicious, inventive meals fresh every single day in regional micro kitchens, not in warehouse production facilities. Chefs cook meals with real ingredients, nothing artificial, with humanely raised meat and organic ingredients whenever possible. Cook Unity chefs offer up a wide range of meals with over 7 different dietary preference filters, including vegan, paleo, and gluten-free options. Chefs focus on flavor and inventiveness while leaning into a wide range of different types of cuisines to bring you the best meals possible. Meals are delivered fully cooked, so all you have to do is heat them up. No more cleanup or meal planning. Through a weekly subscription, you can select from a robust and ever-changing menu of handcrafted meals. The subscription is super flexible, and you can pause, skip weeks, or cancel at any time. Today, I'm going to be having the glazed sheet pan chicken with butternut squash and apples made by the chef Andres Mendez. As a busy mom and business owner, I am always on the go, and I love that I'm able to still get in a healthy and full of flavor meal with Cook Unity. Friends, this chicken just completely melted in my mouth, and I am telling you, this sauce is probably the best sauce I've ever tasted. It is so packed with flavor, and it just made this whole meal just insane. You can go to cookunity.com or click the link in the description box and use my code HouseHolm50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals to try them out for yourself. So if you've never been to Ikea before, it's absolutely massive. Today we're gonna stay in the marketplace, but there's a huge showroom upstairs. It's where you'll find bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and more, all set up and styled. I promise to bring you guys back when I have a little bit more time, and I'll bring you along for a showroom tour on another day. When I have the kids with me, we typically stick to the marketplace because honestly, you could spend all day here. It is dangerous. We have been enough that we know the shortcuts and can usually get in and out in about 30 minutes or so if we know exactly what we're shopping for. Now, I wanted to share a list of the items that I always keep an eye out for while I'm shopping at Ikea. Baskets, greenery, picture frames, plants, and pots are always at the top of my list. They're all affordable, and they usually have a wide variety at Ikea. I also buy almost all of our curtains here. You really just can't beat the quality and the price. Kitchen utensils are very inexpensive, and you can find some adorable dishes and mugs at Ikea as well. So all of our kids' beds and dressers are from Ikea, as well as our bathroom vanity and the wardrobe in our bedroom. We also love their shelving. We have some open shelving in our house that we're getting ready to put up in the coffee bar area that are from Ikea. We also used to have some of their open shelves in our dining room in our old house. We have purchased utility carts from there and inventory shelves for our House and Home office. So ultimately, IKEA is definitely worth making the trip if you have one within a couple of hours from your home.
Wasn't that so much fun? I just love Ikea. It really can be dangerous. Before we knew it, our cart was piling up. I had 2 kiddos with me, but we really had such a fun time. They also have like frozen yogurt and cinnamon rolls, and every once in a while we do a little treat for the kids while we're there. They also have a restaurant upstairs. We've never eaten at that before, but that's fun. Yeah. It was an adventure, it was a good time, and I found lots of goodies, so I want to share a couple of those with all of you. I get asked all the time about our colander and where it's from. So I've actually had this one for a couple of years, but I did want to share it with you guys here in this video. I love to put my fruit in here and set it in the fridge, like a bunch of oranges, maybe some apples. Of course, it can be used as a colander, but I also love to style it in my home. It really is such a pretty piece and super affordable at Ikea. This is another one that I've actually had for a while, and I did share this in the video. There are a couple of different sizes of these really pretty pictures. They're kind of like a metal material. Mine is so old that the writing on the bottom is just completely gone. So you can kind of see it here, but this is just a really good staple piece. You can throw some little flowers in here. You can use it for like a creamer pitcher. You can just decorate with it and hang it on a little hook, which if you've been on my channel for a while, you've seen me do that pretty much all throughout our last home and this home as well. I'm so excited about these next two because they were such an affordable option for what I was looking for. So I'm going to be doing some open shelves in a new coffee bar that you're going to get to see at the beginning of May, and I am so excited about this project. It was kind of a big undertaking because it's just something that we hadn't done before. So we are doing a brick tile backsplash that's going from the countertop all the way up to the ceiling, and it's so beautiful. Chad has been working on it really hard the last couple of days, and it's looking amazing, and I can't wait to share it with all of you. Then we're going to do some open shelving. We're going to add some sconce lighting in there, and I just wanted some bowls that added some texture to that space, so I grabbed these. I think they're so cute. They're little ramekins. I got 2 of these and then 2 of this creamy color. I liked this one because it had some rib detail on it, and I just thought that it was pretty and unique, and I think these were about $3.99 a dish, so definitely more on the affordable side, and just great little fillers for shelves, hutch decor, adding in, sprinkling in little centerpieces, you name it. These are just good pieces to have. So I love to collect little dishes like this that I can sprinkle throughout my home, and they're just so cute. And I can also use them, of course. Hi friends, my name is Skye, and I have too many baskets. I love baskets, and when I find cheap, affordable baskets that are just versatile and you can use throughout your home, I just cannot help but get them. So whether it is at a thrift store or at Ikea or at Target, when I find one that's like just the right shape or the right shade, I have to grab it. So this one was really affordable. I can't remember, I may have shared in the clips, I think it was around like $11 or $12. Not too bad, but it's a really sturdy basket, and that's what I really liked about this, because I could use this in the playroom for my kiddos. I could put a plant in here. I could do all kinds of things. And it's just one of the most sturdy baskets I have seen before. So I can't like squish it by pushing any force on it. I love that it has handles. And I really liked this lighter shade for spring and summer. I grabbed 2 more things while we were at Ikea. I couldn't pass up this little doormat. It is a little bit smaller than your traditional doormat. However, this is going to be perfect for right outside of our sunroom leading onto our deck. We often go out the sunroom door to the backyard or to grill on the deck, and so I just thought it would be nice to have something there that we could kind of dry our shoes on, and the size is just so great. It's so cute and perfect and tiny, and it was only $10. I couldn't pass this one up. I loved the little design on it as well. And friends, the last thing that I grabbed at this particular Ikea visit was this chestnut tree. I couldn't pass it up. I thought it was so beautiful, and I'm just really excited about having another live tree. But one of the reasons that I got it is because it was like, again, like $30, and the last tree I bought was like $80, and they're really not too terribly different in size. So I thought, you know what, I can swallow the price if for some reason it doesn't survive, but I'm really excited about it. I love the trunk. I think it's just really fun, add some character. I can have it out in the sunroom, and so I'm excited about that purchase. But that is all for today's video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that you spent some time with me today checking out Ikea and all of the new things that they have. We have some great projects, fun DIY videos coming your way, lots of decorating. We are currently working on wrapping up a project in our home office, and I am stoked. It looks so beautiful, better than I had really envisioned even at the beginning of the process. So I can't wait to share that one. And then also, of course, our coffee bar that is just, it's looking amazing. Y'all, I am so excited about these spaces. I love making our house feel like home, and I hope you enjoy just hanging out on the journey with us. Thanks so much for being here.